Chapter 3: Synthetic Fibers and Plastics. The clothes which we wear are made up of different type of fabrics. Different type of fabrics include cotton, jute, polyester, silk. Fabrics are made from fibers. What do you mean by fibers? A thin strand of thread is fiber. Fiber can be obtained from both natural as well as artificial source. What are natural fibers? The fibers which are obtained from plants and animals are called natural fibers. They include cotton, wool, silk, jute, etc. Here are some examples of natural fibers. Cotton from a plant, silk from silkworm, wool from sheep, hair fibers from rabbit and goat, linen from flax plant. Now let's move on to the important topic, synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are those fibers which are human made and hence they are known as man made or artificial fibers. Synthetic fibers are made by chemical treatment. Each synthetic fiber have their own properties. A synthetic fiber is a chain of small chemical units joined together, and each chemical unit is called a monomer. By joining many monomers, a long chain is formed. It is called a polymer. Now let's see the meaning of the word polymer. The word polymer comes from two Greek words, poly meaning many, mer meaning part or unit. So a polymer is made up of many repeating units. A structure of a polymer can be compared to a necklace as shown in the picture. The necklace here is the polymer, that is the long or large chain. You can also see beads in a necklace, isn't it? The beads can be compared to the monomers, that is each single unit. The process of combining monomers to form a polymer is called polymerization. Now let's see the different types of synthetic fibers. They are rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. Rayon. Rayon is an example for synthetic fiber. It is prepared by chemical treatment of wood pulp. Rayon resembles the silk, so it is also called artificial silk. Although rayon is obtained from natural source, that is from wood pulp, it is man-made fiber since it is prepared by the chemical treatment. Now let's see the properties of rayon. Rayon can be easily dyed with any color and can be woven into different clothes. Since rayon is cheaper than silk, it is very famous artificial silk. Rayon have lustrous appearance, that is shiny appearance. Rayon is a good absorbent of sweat. Now let's see some uses of rayon. Rayon can be used to make bed sheet by mixing rayon with cotton. Rayon can be also used to make carpet by mixing rayon with wool. Next synthetic fiber is nylon. Nylon is the first fully synthetic fiber. It was discovered in 1931. It is prepared from raw materials such as coal, water and air. The properties of nylon includes it is elastic, lightweight, lustrous or shiny, it is easy to wash and it is strong. Now let's see some uses of nylon. It is used for making parachute, sleeping bags, car seat belt, toothbrush, tent, ropes, socks, ropes for rope climbing, and curtains. Polyester. Polyester is a combination of ester and poly. It is made up of many repeating units of a chemical called an ester. Esters are chemicals which give fruits their smell. The peculiarity of polyester is that they do not get wrinkled easily. The properties of polyester is they does not get wrinkled, they remains crisp, that is they are thin as well as hard same time. They are easy to wash and they dries up very quickly. Uses of polyester. Turlin is one of the famous form of polyester which can be drawn into very fine fibers. PET or polyethylene terephthalate is a form of polyester which is used for making bottles, utensils, films, wires and many other useful products. Acrylic is another synthetic fiber. Acrylic resembles wool and hence it is used in terms of wool. Now let's see some properties of acrylic. They are resistant to moth or insect. They are soft with crumbs resembling wool or foldings which resembles wool. They are durable, lightweight and washable. They are strong and are stain resistant. That is, dirt does not catch on them easily. They are warm and lightweight. Now let's see the characteristics of synthetic fibers. They are strong, durable, wrinkle resistant, lightweight, fine, not attacked by moth or insect. They are less expensive, readily available. Moving on to the next main topic, plastic. Plastic is also a polymer like synthetic fiber. Plastic may be linear or cross-linked, as you can see in the picture. Linear means it's a straight chain, and cross-linked, as you can see, it is joined by two or more adjacent bonds. Plastics are available in different shapes, in different colors, as well as in different size. Plastic is easily moldable. That is, it can be shaped into any form. Other advantage of plastic is that it can be recycled, reused, colored, melted, rolled into sheet or made into fibers. So it have a variety of uses. Now let's see the different types of plastics. They are thermoplastics as well as thermostatic plastics. Have you observed when hot water is poured into a plastic bottle, its shape changing or deformed? Such plastics which deformed on heating and can be bent easily are known as thermoplastics. Example, polythene and PVC. The expanded form of PVC is polyvinyl chloride. And other type of plastics, when once molded, cannot be softened by heating, and they are called thermostatic plastics. Example, bakelite and melamine. Bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity, so they are used for making electrical switches, handles of various utensils. Melamine is another variety of material. Melamine can also resist fire and is a bad conductor of heat. So it is used for making floor tiles, kitchenware and fabrics which resist fire. Example, the fabric which is worn by the fireman is made up of melamine. Plastic as a material of choice. Plastic is very light so that it is used in making car parts, aircraft and spacecraft. Plastics can be also used for making different varieties of articles such as slippers, furniture, decoration pieces. Plastic is non-reactive. You might have seen iron articles getting rusted when it is exposed to air as well as moisture, isn't it? But plastics do not react with water and air, so they do not get damaged easily. That is why they are used to store various kinds of materials, including many chemicals. Plastic is very light, strong and durable. So it is molded into different shape and sizes, and it have variety of uses. Plastics are also cheaper when compared to the metals. Hence, they are used in industry and for household articles. Plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. That is why they are used for making handles of screwdrivers, electrical wire covering, frying pans, etc. plastics and the environment. The substance or materials which get decomposed by the action of bacteria is called biodegradable substance. Example: animal waste, human waste, etc. A substance or material which do not get decomposed by the action of bacteria is known as non-biodegradable. Example: plastic. Plastic takes a lot of years to decompose. It is not environment friendly as it causes environmental pollution. Burning of plastic releases toxic gases into air, causing air pollution. Inhaling this air is very dangerous to human beings and other forms of life. Now let's see the steps to avoid the use of plastics. First and foremost one is avoid the use of plastics. Prefer to use bag made up of cotton or jute. Collect the biodegradable as well as no biodegradable waste separately and dispose them separately. Always try to recycle the plastic waste as most of the thermoplastics can be recycled, such as ballpoint pens, combs, plastic toys.